Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix touchscreen sensitivity issues on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here you will see a touch sensitivity button. So to fix the touchscreen sensitivity issue, turn on this button and then turn on this accidental touch protection button also. So after turning on these two buttons, your touch screen sensitivity issue will be resolved. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.